You want to save planet by riding electric vehicle. Yes, that's great. But you charging this electric vehicle from charging station where energy was produced by diesel generator.
Patrick's Garage.
Grab your snack, welcome back. I think that really good people decided to producing electric vehicles. They decided to save our environment from pollutions, so they want to save our planet. Great decision, but we are not ready completely to the cars which will be full electrical without hybrids will be more better. For this time we have no batteries which can hold a charge a long period of time during the trip. You want to find charging stations when you go to the long period, to the long trip you go, you need to find somewhere charging stations. In deserts they put diesel generators, they producing electricity, so you want to driving your electric vehicle, you charging this electric vehicle on this station, charging station where they producing electricity by diesel generator. But this is a lot of pollutions by produced by diesel generator. Why they doing so? These diesel charging stations for electric vehicles. Where? How we can save our environment that way? Just little hypocrisy in all of that. In all of these decisions, we can't using these electric vehicles. So even when we at home, we want to charging this from sunshine batteries panels you can put on all the roof surface with these electrical charging from sunshine. This is panels, but you have to accumulate this energy, and only after that you can charging. If you're charging directly to the car, will be a long period of time. Yes, all the night you have to charging your car probably will be enough. But during that trip, you can't find enough charging stations. So now will be status quo if you want. When we're using electrical motor in the car, as I think will be great, and gasoline engine at the same time, so you get really great gas mileage on hybrids in our present days. I know will be a long period of time when we go to electric vehicles, not hybrid, full electric vehicles. Now we're not ready, I think. At the same time, I have to admit that this is a really great idea to producing these electric vehicles. This is good idea to save our environment. Yes, a lot of great features you have with electric cars. They not noisy. Main thing, noisy cars so annoying, and especially for me, I worked as a teacher, so I had any classroom noise. This is very horrible noise in the school, I want to say. So electric vehicles will be great decision to save our environment from additional noise which was produced by diesel engines, very noisy. Gasoline engines also noisy. But this can be dangerous. Our pedestrians, they not in safe. They can't hear the car which approaches to them. They not hear this noise, so can be alarmed that car approach them. But electric vehicles, they can't hear electric vehicles, so when electric vehicle approaches to them, they not noisy, this will be dangerous for pedestrians. Suffer from eye disease. They can see a car in the long distance from them. This is dangerous for pedestrians. Electric charging stations very noisy when they producing electricity by these electric generators. They noisy at this area where they producing electricity. Cars not noisy, but who knows how which effect they will be done for cardio stimulators. I don't know about that anything. With electric vehicles, maintain should be done by minimum efforts. I don't know while they're new, maybe you can find any glitches as in all electric systems all wears out with age. I don't know what will be with their behavior when they will be old. This is so really complex electronic in the electric vehicles. And who knows where we can find these parts for repairing electric vehicles, where we can find this is information for electric vehicles. Only qualified mechanics have access for a lot of cars even today. We can't find information for a lot of new cars. We should pay money for this information for repair even gasoline engine cars. Nowadays we can find information for a lot of models. And when I go to the long trip, where I can't find charging stations with electric vehicles in this case, but when I'm driving gasoline cars, diesel car, I can put additional gasoline, additional diesel to the trunk. And in canisters, we can have this storage for long trips, but what we can do with electric cars, I don't know. Maybe additional electric batteries we can put in the trunk, but I don't know that anybody is doing this. I know about canisters with gasoline we can put in the trunk, and additional gasoline will be for our period of trip. In all this trip in desert, you can't find electric charging stations, but you have gasoline for your car, so hybrid car will be better for this period of time, I think. Also, I know nothing about this electrical equipment in modern electric vehicles. This is high voltage car. High voltage, which wave created by this electronic, how they can done affect for cardio stimulators and in our health in general. Electric impulses can be dangerous and they can create harmful effects for our health. Who knows which interference they can create for cardio stimulators for our brain. Weather changes, electricity environment changes, and they can produce effect for our mood. First of all, our mood. Yes, I was impressed when I was child. I was impressed by any electric transportation, by any electric vehicles. They was not noisy. They accelerates fast. They can be more faster than any gasoline engine, electric generators, diesel generators especially. They're really noisy. Yes, they produce electricity. So you can driving in silence, you're relaxing your electric vehicles, you don't care about effects from this electric car which stopped by electricity. This car completely stuffed with electrical motors, electric stuff. You know which interference they can producing for our health, for any electric cardio stimulators for old guys which want to using these electric vehicles. I don't know.
Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.